two man together. You have to watch a next man and impale your husband body hole in front of you. No wonder you look so unhappy when you come a road, dirty woman. Go and go talk to blood clot RT and grab him up in the hand before me hold him. You know better blood clot hold RT before me hold him. Because you say every day me hold you, I kick up your pussy hole face RT. I broke off my right foot in your bumbo clot quicksand. I would have teeth up my foot all the way up in your bumbo clot quicksand face boy. Eh? Bumbo clot bright. Pussy clot out order. Eh? Every blood clot minute you run with my queen name for clot. Grace no see you. Waka. Go suck your mother, my father. Pussy hole you not here. Go and go dip up under your thinking wife. We are taking thinking hood. We are going a batty hole in our hole. And your wife, you figure blood clot cause your dingy fly blood clot wife. You think hole wife. Cause me know our hole shit up and piss up. Your bumbo clot dirty hood where you have. I walk and I pushing all of these men. You drunk or you walk and suck too much cock for you talk about grace. Bumbo hole shit up boy. Move your bumbo clot lollipop bumbo clot and go from here as a youth. You coming like one sinking sand. Oh. Drunk crow.
Look at smile. Look at cheese. Morning there. Look at cheese. You know? Have them in the US, Canada, and every country. You know. Some of them gather eat them out don't have money like Bestie. That's how come home and I don't nothing. Bestie got in there. I got sack and mama. I miss rich. Got eat to no papa. I miss rich. I like Bestie them broke and hungry and one. I'm tired of telling them say when me and Spice are cause this is a rich people argument. No broke people in this blood clotting. See me Pitney, I may have Pitney, you know. See my son? See my son? Let me show you a bridge. I have Pitney, you know. Yeah, Pitney, me take care of my kids then. See? He's dead. Prince then?
Who's that? Who's that?
It won't change. Don't give me all of that and forget $40. Say hi, Royal.
Hi.
Brittany, I could go back and do much now. If people them fast. Them fast.
That's your house?
Definitely my house.
Oh. Nice spot.
This is the wife of the house. That's the wife of the house, Brit. Yes, Brittany.
Wow, it's like a whole store I get just now.
And that is only one. Me have 5 of them. You want a, you want, alright, one more tour, I'm done tour. One more tour. These are my vehicle, them. This is my vehicle, them. Jamaican people got suck when I where I'm live. I mean, I have nothing for money. Yeah. Me no walk, my talk, my money, they were me there. So where you gonna tell me say I want boss when me have my money? You know, say me a dash away like me crazy. And guess what? My Rose Rice I got drop. You will see for Christmas. So me had big paradise girl, Brittany. So me get an update now, Brittany. Let me tell you your fans them this, cause your fans them are watch me. Me know most of your fans them not like me. And most Jamaican people not like me. But the Jamaican people take
Watching you
care.
right now.
Them need to know one thing.
6,000 people watching you right now.
Yeah, 6,000. Most Jamaican people not like me, but me have something to tell them. Listen to me. When you cuss me, when you class me, when you beat me, but I shall laugh after the nasty blood clot because this supposed to be wealthy. You know much investment in our no blood clot, bitch. And then you know come talk about me no be a man. No worry no blood clot. If you no go and cry moonly. Blood clot. So all me have to tell you no, me invest in it.
So do you believe in God?
I believe in God. I don't do evil. But I don't do evil. I only talk tough because people don't like me. But behind the closed door, I'm a man of good. But maybe use my mouth and beat people. But I do good. I sell spirituality, and the one that I sell is good. Like, for example, Brittany, you know how much Jamaican people make a visa? You know how much people make go foreign? You know how much sick me cure? You know how much cancer? I go out, me cure all cancer and put it in the newspaper. And the people give the evidence and them say nothing no go so. Them say a lie.
So like could you
And
like
come with evidence.
that you
Jamaican
killed
people
someone you like
illiterate.
from talk?
That why you think me have money is cancer and them sickness there and visa and them thing there make me have money. Me cure cancer.